What does true luxury look like? Is it gold watches, private jets, mansions in Beverly Hills? Or is it something quieter, something more refined? Imagine sitting inside a cabin so silent you can hear your own heartbeat. The doors close with a soft whisper. The outside world disappears. The engine hums, but you barely notice it. You're not just riding in a car, you're floating. This is the world of Rolls-Royce Motor Cars. A brand that doesn't compete with other cars, because Rolls-Royce doesn't build cars. It builds statements. And today, we're going deep inside the most prestigious automotive name on Earth. Part 1. The Birth of Perfection, History and Legacy. The year was 1904. Two men met at a hotel in Manchester, England. Charles Rolls, an aristocrat and car dealer. Henry Royce, a perfectionist engineer. Rolls had the vision. Royce had the obsession with quality. When Rolls drove one of Royce's early vehicles, he said something bold: "This is the best car in the world." That sentence would become a prophecy. In 1907, the Silver Ghost was introduced, and after completing a 15,000-mile endurance run with almost zero mechanical issues, it gained worldwide fame. The press crowned it the best car in the world, and that reputation stuck for over a century. Part 2. More than a car, a symbol. A Rolls-Royce is not transportation, it's symbolism. It's what kings use. It's what presidents ride in. It's what billionaires choose when they no longer need to prove anything. When a Rolls-Royce pulls up, people don't just look, they stare. The iconic Spirit of Ecstasy sits proudly on the hood, a sculpture of elegance leaning forward into the wind. Every detail whispers wealth. Part 3. Why it costs more than a house. Let's talk money. A base Rolls-Royce Ghost starts around $350,000. The flagship Rolls-Royce Phantom, over $450,000. And that's before customization. The luxury SUV, the Rolls-Royce Cullinan, $500,000 is common. But here's what most people don't understand. You're not paying for a car. You're paying for craftsmanship. Each Rolls-Royce is hand-built in Goodwood, England. It can take months to complete a single vehicle. Some customers request custom colors never seen before. Rolls-Royce will literally create a unique paint shade for one single client. Even the night sky on the day you were born, recreated inside the roof using fiber optics. This is called the Starlight Headliner. Thousands of tiny lights, completely custom. Part 4. The Magic Carpet Ride. Under the hood, a twin-turbocharged V12 engine. Massive power. But here's the twist. Rolls-Royce engineers don't brag about horsepower. They call it adequate, because true luxury isn't loud. It's effortless. The goal isn't to make noise, it's to eliminate it. Over 100 kilograms of sound insulation are used in a Rolls-Royce. The tires are specially designed to reduce road noise. The cabin is so quiet that during development, engineers had to actually reduce insulation because it was too silent. Passengers felt uncomfortable. Part 5. Who buys Rolls-Royce? The average Rolls-Royce buyer? Not a millionaire, a billionaire. Business tycoons, royal families, celebrities. People who already own supercars, Ferraris, Lamborghinis, but want something calmer, something mature. Rolls-Royce doesn't advertise traditionally. They don't need to. Part 6. Modern evolution. Today, Rolls-Royce is owned by BMW, but don't confuse ownership with identity. The craftsmanship remains British. And now, they're stepping into the future. Meet the all-electric Rolls-Royce Spectre. Fully electric, completely silent. No engine vibration, just pure movement. Some say electric power is perfect for Rolls-Royce because silence has always been their goal. Part 7. Dark side of luxury. But let's be honest, Rolls-Royce isn't practical. Maintenance costs are high. Fuel consumption is heavy. Depreciation can be brutal if you buy without smart customization. And yet, the buyers don't care. Because when you reach a certain level of wealth, comfort matters more than cost. Prestige matters more than practicality. Part 8. The psychology of ownership. Owning a Rolls-Royce is not about speed. It's about arrival. It's about confidence. It's about telling the world, I've made it. But interestingly, many owners sit in the back seat because Rolls-Royce is designed to be chauffeur-driven. The rear seats often have more features than the front. It's a different experience. You're not driving, you're being driven. If money wasn't an issue, would you choose a Rolls-Royce? Or would you pick something sportier? Comment below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into automotive royalty, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.